Right, what's going on, guys? Check out this pretty awesome Tudor old looking building. It's incredible. The outside looks exactly the same with the wooden beams going through it, the white walls. It's pretty special. Just look at this. It's one of the most crookedest things I've ever been in, and I absolutely love it. It reminds you of like an old tavern out of, say, Oliver Twist, I want to say. That sort of style. Look at the beautiful old fireplace. Just look at the way the old lights would have been. How awesome is that? Right, let's go for a little look up the broken staircase first then. This place is amazing. Wow. Still lights everywhere. I actually want this place. Sort of place I could see myself living in, put it that way. Bathroom. Stunning. So there's not a lot to see up here, guys, but what is here? It's pretty cool. Like, I'm 6'4", I'd be no good living in a place like this with the way the beams are. Ladybirds. Just leave them. See what I mean? Like, headache for me is there. So yeah, it would take some getting used to, I would have thought. Empty room. See the poles holding the bigger RS3s up. Up one set of stairs down another. No, I like that. His brother Dan. This place is cool.
Oh, you haven't seen it, but follow the light.
Follow the light. Look at that fireplace though.
I know, when I heard you sound there.
That's gorgeous.
And he's beams.
That's incredible. Doesn't it just give you like that old like...
It must have been a tavern of some sort.
Yeah, back in the day it must have been.
American werewolf style tavern.
Must have been. Oh, oh wow. This place is cool, guys. Outside toilet. Yeah, what I will do is shoot it outside as well, just literally so you can see how cool this place looks from the outside, because it's not going to do it justice otherwise. Storeroom. 2011 is the date on them yogurts. I think this will just bring me around to where it was originally. Look at that door, that's a man's door in it. Jeez, look at all the bolts on that.
Man's door.
That's a man's door, that's a Viking door.
Have you seen the little fireplace this side?
It's gorgeous, isn't it? Absolutely love it.
Oh my god. We have a Victorian light switch.
So just the way the other panels are, I mean, just squeeze it in a sec.
Yeah.
The way it's all bricked and added on. Do you know what, this place, sort of place you could think of, it'd have like hidden rooms and that, wouldn't it?
Oh, but
Incredible. So yeah, here's the rear of the property. It's just got that proper old school look. I love it. I love the fact the door up there as well, just got a little bit of a gate on it. How awesome is this, guys? Let me just show you this. It's proper old, like Oliver Twist sort of style. That's what it reminds me of. Love it. So as promised, guys, yes, we've got a little bit of the mark on the screen, and no, gonna have to get that sorted. But here's the outside. How pretty damn awesome is that? One of those ones you can literally park right outside as well, which is pretty cool. I like it. See you in the next one, guys.